Hi and welcome to this lesson. You're going to learn about how Ansible works. Ansible is used to configure and manage remote servers. And one of its main benefits compared to its competitors like Chef and Salt and even Puppet is that it's agentless, meaning you don't actually have to install anything on the remote machine you want to connect to. So what we can have over here are our worker machines, and what we can do from either our local machines, or in some cases, as I've seen it done in industry, there will be one server. So this will be like the Ansible jump box. What we can do here is use our Ansible playbooks and define the inventory file, which you're going to be learning about very shortly. And what we can do is execute whatever we want on these machines here. You'll configure how to access these inside the inventory file. And again, the main advantage here is we haven't had to install anything on these machines. And that's what makes Ansible so popular. Because before, you might have had to bake this into the image it was used to deploy the server. And again, that would mean additional configuration, as this would be something you would need to keep up to date. Whereas now, we can run this either on a central machine, or we can run it individually from our own laptops, and we can connect to these remote worker servers and go ahead and execute whatever we need to on them.